Namaskaram, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this wonderful evening. I hand you over to Srimati Neelima Atti and Kumari Pranati Atti joining us from Tirupati. Neelima garu, over to you.
Thank you, sir. Namaskaram.
Dear all, happy good evening and greetings from Pramayas, a Coimbatore based philanthropic and charitable organization functioning to promote art and music amongst you and society. This is Neelima Atti and Pranati Atti joining from Tirupati. We are disciples of Wing Commander Minjur M. Yagnaraman, founder President Pramayas, and take pride in welcoming you all to be part of our Natyam repository, witnessing and enjoying the live recital of a Bharatanatyam recital on Google Meet platform featuring Kumari Rajalakshmi Iyer joining us from Mumbai. As you all are aware, Pramayas has been immensely contributing over the years in the fields of art, music, dance, yoga, lifestyle issues, personality development, academics, culture, and lights, and along with our own students, regularly invited both established upcoming artists, professionals for live performances, while also conducting various competitions with an aim to encourage budding talents and preservation of our great art forms and culture through our various repositories. We welcome you, dear all. Thanks for being here. On that note, a word of introduction about the artist and a short brief regarding the awaiting events of the evening. We have Kumari Rajalakshmi Iyer, a senior disciple of Guru Srimati Chaya Kanvate of Mumbai, all set to perform a traditional Bharatanatyam recital for our Natyam repository. We welcome you, dear Kumari Rajalakshmi. We also welcome her parents, Srimati Priya Iyer, a homemaker, and Sri Kodandaraman Iyer, a traditional Purohidar by profession. Also, it feels great to have around us Srimati Prashanti Shekhar, another disciple of Pramayas, and Sri Chandrasekhar, joining from Bengaluru, who are also the kind sponsor for this program. Thanks, dear Sri Chandrasekhar and Prashanti. We would be shortly requesting the artist and her dear parents for lighting of the lamp, marking the auspicious commencement of performance of the day. After the lamp lighting, we would have my daughter Kumari Pranati Atti reciting a prayer song leading us towards the commencement of the recital. The classical term Natya literally means dramatic representation or drama with speech, music, and dancing, according to Abhinaya Darpana. Natya or Nataka has some traditional story, for its theme is an adorable art, while the term Nitya corresponds to the mime performed for the song. That is, in other words, it is the interpretative dance. Hence, to keep the options and scope wide open, this repository of ours is aptly prefixed and named as Natyam Repository. Kumari Rajalakshmi Iyer from Mumbai, who just celebrated her 22nd birthday on the 21st October, has been learning Bharatanatyam in Thanjavur Bani from Nateshwar Nityakala Mandir under the guidance of her guru Srimati Chaya Kanvate from the tender age of 7 years. She made her first stage debut when she was just 9 and did her Arangetram in the year 2011 at the Mysore Association Auditorium, Mumbai. A winner of numerous prizes, awards, and titles, and recognition with a wonderful track record of big ticket performances in various locations of the country under the aegis of a number of high-level organizations and sabhas of world repute. She has also performed other repertories and dance styles such as semi-classical, folk, contemporary, Lavani, etc., with such a great footfall in the culture scenario. It is obvious that young Rajalakshmi is looking to take up dancing and teaching as her career. On the academic front, she did her graduation in sociology and child development from SNTT University, Mumbai, and continuing to pursue master's program in women's study from the same university. Pramayas wishes her a great future ahead in dancing and in her academics too. Her parents have kindly and befitting the performance standards have done arrangements for lamp lighting, live audience at One Life Studio, Car West, Mumbai, and we all are excited to witness the proceedings. Thank you, dear sir and ma'am. Ladies, gentlemen, children, and all, may I request for a huge round of applause to this inspiring young and promisingly upcoming artist, her dear parents, guru, sponsor, one and all, for being present today. Please. Disciples, parent members, volunteers, and well wishers of Pramayas are fortunate and happy in conducting these live sessions aiming at the well being and artistic happiness of one and all during this COVID pandemic. May I also request our dear Guru, Wing Commander Minjur M. Yagnaraman, Founder President Pramayas, after the Bharatanatyam performance, to present a short flute recital followed by a vote of thanks. Please. May you also wish to visit our YouTube channel titled Pramayas to watch complete video of the evening on a later date. Hope you all enjoy witnessing the recital, appreciate and encourage the young and upcoming artist. Thanks once again for being here with us, and with the best of our wishes, may we request now for lighting of the lamp by the parents and artist, followed by the prayer song by Kumari Pranati Atti, heralding us to witness further proceedings of the day. Dear ma'am, sir, please.
Pranati can continue the prayer song now.
Yes, sir.
Thank you,
Namaskar,
ma'am.
dear all. My name is Pranati Atti from Tirupati. The song I'm going to be singing today is Antayu Nive Harikunda Vikaksha, set in Ragam Hindolam, Talam Adi, composed by Padakavita Pitamaha Shri Amananda. Antayu Nive Harikunda Vikaksha. Antayu Nive Harikunda Vikaksha. Chintanaku Nive Shri Raghurama. Antayu Nive Harikunda Chintanaku Nive Shri Raghurama. Antayu Nive Harikunda Vikaksha. Kulamulu Nive Govinduna Kanivedu Nive Karunanidhi. Kulamulu Nive Govinduna Kanivedu Nive Karunanidhi. Kalapuru Nive Dharani Dharana Telamula Nive Nirajanata. Kalapuru Nive Dharani Dharana Telamula Nive Nirajanata.
Good, Pranati. Good. Nice. Please continue, Nilima garu.
Thank you all. Namaste. Over to the artist. We all request her to introduce us with short details of the number she would be performing sequentially. Please. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Shubhamaste.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, and I would request the audience if you can pin her, pin the ID of Sharath Iyer onto your screen. You can see her big, so that will be wonderful. Raj, over to you, please.
Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaste and a very warm welcome to one and all. Today, I shall begin with the blessings of Lord Nagaraja and my Guru. I take this moment to seek blessings of Lord Ganesha, to ask him to remove any kind of obstacle during the performance. A wonderful composition of Sri Purandaradasa in Rav Hamsakandi Talimadi Gajavadana Devi.
ಗಜವದನ ಬೇಡುವೆ ಗಜವದನ ಬೇಡುವೆ ಗಜವದನ ಬೇಡುವೆ ಗಜವದನ ಬೇಡುವೆ Música
Por Thank you. alike. Now we shall move on to another very naughty Krishna, where gopis are very angry with little Krishna and says, "Oh Mother Yashoda, your little Krishna is no longer little boy anymore. He troubles us, oh, and he is more mischief, and he gave so much trouble for us. We can't tolerate anymore. Please tell your little Krishna to stop his mischief and behave properly." Presenting a wonderful piece, Tayi Yashoda in Ragam Todi, Talam Adi.
Yashoda
I shall now conclude with Ardhanarishwara Stotram, which was written 2000 years ago by Sri Adi Shankaracharya. To understand and to know about Lord Shiva and Parvati are one, I have taken a verse from Kalidasa where he says, as words are inseparable, like that Shiva and Shakti are inseparable too. Presenting Ardhanarishwara Stotram in Ragamalike, Talamalike.
Yeah.
Okay, that's really wonderful. It's time for accolades. Can I request Rajalakshmi and Srimati Priya Iyer, please get a chair, 2 chairs, and be seated. Rendu chair podu ukandungo. And before we talk about the performance, konjam pinadi. Yeah, that's great. Ammakku onnu potru. And Sudha ma'am, maybe I'll be requesting a few words from you. Ananya also. Everyone for that matter. Rajalakshmi, can you please call the studio in charge, the sound engineer, who must be there, no?
No, sir, I was handling it.
No, you were handling. No. Is somebody there? Somebody from studio?
No, sir.
No one is there. No one is there.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe, kindly put a word of thanks from our side. You may be seated. You may be
Yes,
seated.
sir.
Yeah. Kindly thank, and it's wonderful performance. Beautiful, very nice selection of. Why? Come and sit on the chair, no, Rajalakshmi? Yeah, Vandru. Yeah, okay. Very, very mature performance, very nice selection of songs. 45 நிமிஷத்துக்குள்ள to give a mix of everything. தசாவதாரம், அப்புறம் வஸ்திராபரணம், கஜேந்திர மோக்ஷம், இங்கே நரசிம்மதாரம், அப்புறம் தாயே யசோதா, அர்த்தநாரீஸ்வர ஸ்தோத்திரம். It's a big deal. So beautiful. ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது. Very, very matured. And ladies and gentlemen, Rajalakshmi Iyer was one of the participants of Balkala Utsav, Delhi 2014 and 15, for which I was one of the judges. I never knew till yesterday when I saw her profile, Balkala Utsav 2014. I said, come on, is it by Madam Srimati Kanaka Sudhakar? She said, yes, sir. Maybe I possibly won't remember face and names. We had in hundreds and thousands various categories. So nice and wonderful. Before I request the few participants to speak, I will request a few words from you. After the members of the audience have spoken, let me wholeheartedly thank Srimati Neelima Atti, because she's the compere, and I was not sure of making it to the program today. I had a meeting with a kind of city commissioner and all. Tomorrow morning we are doing a run, unity run here. We'll start about by 5:30 in the morning. It'll go on about 8 o'clock. So we are organizing the entire thing. So there are a lot of other fringe issues involved. So I was not sure of coming back before 6 o'clock. Neelima Garu told me, sir, don't worry, we will handle it. And she was ready. The moment I came around 6 o'clock, I said, Neelima Garu, I'm there. She said, fine, sir, welcome, fine. And again, Pranati, again, she did a fantastic job. Antayu Nive. And Ananya, Ananya is our student. She did her vocal arangetram way back in 2019, 22nd December. And she's from then gone to London. She was at Newcastle, finished her program. And she's picked up a job there in Oxford. Today, after about 2 years, she's come back to us. So nice to have her around here. And Madam Sudha Sridhar, her mom, is here with us. Party is there, watching us. Dr. Manimegale came and left. And Ati families, all of them are there around. Ananya also was ready to give a surprise song in between. When, you took a break to go and adjust the technical issues. You started with Gajavadana Beduve. She kind of, connected with Sharanasiddhi Vinayaka. Today, Pillayar demanded 2 songs for him, because he said, "Oru dance mattu enakku poradhu, oru vokalum paadunga" அப்படினுட்டார். So wonderful. I think it's a very memorable day. What I feel is when somebody like of Rajalakshmi Iyer's quality of standards, I think more people should have watched it. That's what. நான் அனுப்பிச்சேன் 10-15 பேருக்கு ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு I'm never I never pressurize students to come and watch. The reason is everyone is busy in their own way. இப்போ there is abundance of programs. Facebook, YouTube, எங்க பார்த்தாலும் இருக்கு. What was very, very heartening is, today the one who was happiest on cloud 9 is Rajalakshmi herself. You could see the way, we could see your happiness, immense happiness, because you were engrossed into your dancing. You were transferring yourselves as Krishna, Draupadi, Narasimha, Gajendra, Mahavishnu, Ardhanarishwara, you name a thing. You could emote. And நரசிம்மனை பார்க்கும்போதெல்லாம் எனக்கு அப்படியே பயமாக இருந்தது. மை காட், எப்படி பண்ணுறது இந்த பொண்ணுன்னு தோணிது எனக்கு. பிகாஸ் we could actually, I'm getting goosebumps. We could actually see நரசிம்மா there in திரௌபதியோட பெயினும் கஜேந்திரனோட பெயினும் வேறு வேறு மாதிரியான பெயின் அது. திரௌபதிக்கு மானம் சம்பந்தப்பட்ட பெயின் அது. கண்ணா என்னை காப்பாற்ற யாருமே இல்லையா, ஹரின்னு அலறாவ, மானத்தை காப்பாத்துன்னு கேட்குறா, வஸ்திராபரணத்து போது. இம்மென்ஸ் பெயின் வாட் ஷி வென்ட் த்ரூ. கஜேந்திரனோட வலி வந்து ஃபிசிக்கல் வேதனை அண்ட் த ஈகோ. கஜேந்திரன் ஒரு ரொம்ப வலிமையான ஒருத்தன், ஒரு மகா பெரிய யானை. முதல்ல கிட்ட மாட்டின் விட்டு ஹரி என்னை காப்பாத்துன்னு கேட்குறாரு. இந்த ரெண்டு வேதனையும் எக்ஸ்ட்ரீம் வேதனைகள், எக்ஸ்ட்ரீம் வேதனை, ஆனால் வேற வேற மாதிரியான வேதனைகள். அந்த வேதனையை வந்து ஐ திங்க் ராஜலக்ஷ்மி அட் திஸ் வெரி யங் ஏஜ் குட் ஷோ திஸ் வித் immense clarity and immense maturity. I really wished we could have seen your abhinayam very close. ஏன்னா வந்து there was no zoom camera, there was no in and out, we were just depending on a static camera. But very soon, possibly time permitting, we would go on for a full-time program where and Sudha ma'am, I've also already requested Rajalakshmi, the day she decides to teach with permission from her guru, she'll become one of the franchisees for Brahmayas. Brahmayas has already got so many franchisees teaching all over the world. And Rajalakshmi's, I mean, sorry me saying this because we organizers, I'm also an artist and organizer, we also look from a technical point of view. Will this artist be, what is she going to be 10 years down the line? I am going to tell you, maybe 5 years, you can take it as a walk from a very, very, என்ன சொல்லலாம், ரொம்ப சந்தோஷத்தில் நான் சொல்கிறேன், you're going to be a very big world name. Take it as a blessing from all of us because we are all elder enough to bless you. You have it in you and that is going to come. And the day you decide to teach, please get back to us and we will request you to teach our children also. Thank you so much. So wonderful, Rajalakshmi. God bless you. உனக்கு பரிபூர்ண ஆசி நல்லாசிகள் இருக்கு. I am missing my mother. She would have loved to see you. She's got some issues today. She could not join. Otherwise, she was wanting to see your dance. Abram. A word of thanks to Srimati Priya Iyer. We are friends on Facebook. And Shriman Kodandaraman Iyer. He is busy with the Aarti function there in the temple. He is a professional Purohitar. That's so wonderful, so wonderful. I'll get back to you. Meanwhile, I'll quickly request Madam Sudha Sridhar, a very, very Kanaijar. She's a good singer and she's from the Air Force family. And her husband, Group Captain Sridhar, is flying for Indigo. Sudha ma'am, I'm going to pin you. We want pearls of wisdom from you. She speaks so nice. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. I think it was wonderful to to see Rajalakshmi Iyer's dance. Very nice, and as you said, everything was beautiful. Only thing, if we could zoom in a little bit more and see your expression up close, because whatever said and done on the on a device. Right now, I'm on my mobile because actually I started watching it at my mother's place. I had taken my dog for a walk. And then I came back home, and I was in the kitchen, finishing dinner and everything. So I had it on my mobile only. So mobile means that there is restricted size, right? So that is one thing, but that notwithstanding, it was amazing, wonderful, and personally, I'm really happy that Ananya has found her way back into music because, just before the pandemic, we did her Arangetram in Bangalore. And that was, of course, single-handedly done by Yagya. So you must be wondering why I call him Yagya, because that's the Air Force name of Wing Commander Ninjur Yagnaraman. Yes. So, he was, 6 months of practice and everything, and luckily we got it done before the pandemic. And then, of course, she had to take a break because of her studies, but I think this is a very, very, she's joined back on a very auspicious note, I would say, and it's wonderful. So,
thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
All the best to you, Rajeshmi. So, where are you based from? I'm sorry, I might have missed some of
Mumbai.
questions part of it.
Mumbai. She joined from Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. And Amma irkala pakathula illa illiya? She's there that side.
I came back from my mother's house.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm at my place. So anyway, I'll convey your regards to her.
Thank you so much.
All the best, Rajalakshmi, for a wonderful, career ahead. I'm sure you're going to shine really bright as all of Yagya's students do. Right?
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for being here. Wonderful. Okay, next I would request the daughter for a comeback today on an auspicious note, and you made us proud by singing Sharanu Siddhi Vinayaka. As luck would have it, today it was destined. She just gave me a message and I said, Ananya, are you free? Yes, sir. I just sent the link and pat, she joined, and taking her cue, I requested, Sudha ma'am, Ananya is there in the audience. Would you like to join? She also came. So really honored. A few words of wisdom from you, Ananya. How do you feel coming back to the performance circuit, and you're going to be here?
It feels amazing, and definitely your performance was brilliant. And I mean, being a theater artist myself, I know how important it is to have, your expressions and how and with dance as well, you need to make sure that, you have your steps right and have expressions. So it's definitely very difficult. And but you just did an absolutely fabulous job, and I'm so glad sir sent the link to your performance, and I got to join in because I feel like it's finally time for me to get back to music. And now that I'm relatively done with my studies for a while, I think I can devote a lot more time to music and get back to singing.
And as luck would have it, there is a dance school, Bharatanatyam school, very next to her place where she stays in Newcastle. And I am going to tell her, please start singing for dance. Singing for dance is something really amazing, and Ananya would do that. Thanks, Ananya. Thanks for being here, and you made us very happy. The moment you joined us, the entire screen lit up. Thank you so much. And now I am going to request this another student, Geetika Atti. Geetika Atti, because Nilima Garu and Pranati will come back to you towards the end. Geetika, I'm pinning you. How was it? How did you feel the performance? There is Kyatika. Kyatika.
So she's in class.
She's in class. Okay. Words from you?
So good evening, one and all. And actually, to say the performance, it was like a feast to our eyes. Yeah, apart from the technical issues, it was really like a feast to our eyes. It was very good. And actually, I prepared a complete speech while seeing her performance itself. I even asked my mother, what is it called in Telugu and English? Like, her movements were like a lake which is coming from mountain to and joining the river, very smooth and precise movements. I literally asked this statement to from my mother. Ma, we will say, what is that which joins into river? Is it called lake or something else? It was really very good.
Thank you, Geetika. I can understand you're emotionally charged because you're looking very happy. There's a big smile on your face. Otherwise, Geetika, we call her Ammalu, she's very measured in her expressions. I said for a dancer, you need to be more expressive. And we all tell the students, for a dancer, you should feel you're the most beautiful soul in the world and feel that within you. And Geetika is very, very happy today. Or Purna Chandran Mari, because Raji's dance made her feel very happy. And courtesy Rajalakshmi, she made all of us very happy. Thank you, Geetika. Now I'm going to ask the little star Pranati Atti from Tirupati. Pranati, speak.
Sir, I really enjoyed watching the performances. That's all I have to say.
But let me tell you, Pranati has got issues with dance because she thinks I am not fit for dance. I am okay with vocal, she says. Anyway, thanks Pranati, you did a fantastic job. Antayi Nive was a good opening. Hindolam, thank you so much. Thanks for making us proud. And Nilima Garu, you did the best today. Please, over to you. A few words from you. Appreciate the artistic excellence of Rajalakshmi today.
Thank you, sir. Rajalakshmi, it's very, very amazing performance today because I was a Kuchipudi dancer when I was young. So after so many years, I witnessed all the performances of today's. It's very good.
Thank you. Thank
all
you.
the best, Rajalakshmi. Your Bhangimas, your Abhinayam, everything was very, very good.
So good. Thank you, Nilima Garu. And you made my job so easy for having taken the entire responsibility. And you did the intro and thanks. It was as if looking, I was just relaxing. Thank you so much. Now I would want a word or two from Srimati Priya Iyer, my Facebook friend, and we are country cousins. We share the same surname also. Sudha Iyer, Priya Iyer, Ananya, Sridhar. Priya ma'am, over to you, please.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for giving.
That's okay. Speak something. No, you're so happy. I know that. Yeah, I know. See, you know what? The way
won't come.
Yeah, the Geetika says, I prepared so much to speak, but today I could not because the performance was so overwhelming. So you made it be so happy. She is speechless. I think similar is the case with Priya ma'am, her own child doing so wonderfully around there. நீங்க 2014ல டெல்லி வந்திருந்தேளா பிரியாவோட அந்த இது ராஜியோட ப்ரோக்ராம்க்கு நீங்களும் வந்திருந்தேளா? Were you there along with Balkala Utsav? Yeah, maybe I would have met you then. Maybe I'm forgetting. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Now, the star of the evening, the little star, young, bright, and upcoming, and the most promising dancer which we witnessed in this near, performances. Rajalakshmi Iyer, over to you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank
Sir,
you
can you call me back,
everyone.
please?
Overwhelmed by all the wishes and blessings, which is very much needed for me. And after a long time, I'm performing now live. And after my birthday, 22nd birthday, it's really a wonderful experience for me altogether. And I'm so glad that everyone enjoyed. All credits goes to my Guru, Guru Saraswati. Because of her, I'm here in front of you all dancing in a better manner. Or else, if she wouldn't be there, without her support, without her guidance, I would not be able to dance today. So thank you so much, Auntie. And my mom, because she is a backbone support, even though she is someone who is behind the camera or behind everything, she is very close to me. And she always encourages me, even if whenever I feel low or whenever I feel like giving up, she is the one like, no, you try, you do your best. Whatever it is, you do your best. Give your 100%.
Thank you, Priya. Thank you, Rajalakshmi. In fact, behind every successful human, there is a mother, there is a sister, there is a woman behind. Male folk are slightly less because we have a different way of looking at things. You ask any success story by anybody, there was always a woman behind, and she did the best because she is the one who's unconditional in giving her love and blessings and support as always. Thank you so much, so wonderful. You made our evening so beautiful. I'll give a call and talk to you.
And we are all the team members who supported and actually done this whole evening session smooth.
In fact, the best part of the day is today we could really see Raji Iyer was so happy. She was engrossed into her dancing because, as she rightly said, after about 2 years of pandemic and soon after her 22nd birthday, which happened on 21st of October, she could perform live for the audience. It was immaterial whether it was 10 of us watching or 20 or 100. She believed as if the whole world was watching her, and she was connecting with each and everyone with us through the characters, because all of us could connect with the eternal characters, mythical characters, what she portrayed. Thank you so much, Kumari Rajalakshmi Iyer, and thanks to everyone, Sudha ma'am, Dr. Manimegalai, Ananya in particular and in person. It's because of Ananya both things could happen today. Geetika, Kyatika, and of course Pranati and Nilima Garu from Tirupati. Thank you so much, so wonderful. Thanks to Prashanti also. She joined and she's a sponsor for this evening. And I'm so thankful to her. I'll give a call and tell her she had some pressing commitments. She had to leave and gave me a message. Thank you so much. We will come back with another episode very soon. Namaskaram, Shivratri, Jai Hind.